subscribe, comment down below, and hit the notification bell. 12 weight loss tips for women. If you want big results in your weight loss, there is one thing we have to come to accept. It's all about the diet. There is no escaping this. Exercise is the smaller part of the journey, and actually the far easier part of the journey. There is no quick fix or magic tricks. There are a lot of false promises, snake oil sellers, and glorified pseudoscience, all of which will leave you feeling more demoralized and demotivated, wondering why when you finally got to the end of that 5-day, 300 calorie a day diet, you gained all your weight back plus some extra. This isn't good. It makes you feel terrible, and goodness, it just keeps that cycle going. In this video, we go over 12 tips that are sustainable, scientifically backed, and with consistency will help you get that weight off and keep it off. These are real, they work, and if done all together, they will help you tackle that weight loss quickly with sustainable results. Diet foods, fat-free, leave them in the store. They remove the fat and fill it up with sugar and chemicals. They have no benefit to your goals or long-term health. They are another devil in disguise. Stop eating and drinking sugar. It's highly addictive and it's likely one of the biggest reasons for your weight gain. It's in everything nowadays and it really shouldn't be. Eat a portion of protein at each meal. This should be the size of your palm. Add lots of greens and keep the carb portions low. Not only will it keep you fuller for longer, but it takes more energy for your body to break down. Ideally, carbs like potatoes and pasta should only be eaten at dinner time and after exercise. Drop them the rest of the day. Stop drinking fizzy drinks and concentrated fruit juices. Maybe a glass a day of fruit juice that's not from concentrate, but that's it. The rest have no goodness and are full of sugar. Even diet alternatives are terrible. Eat plenty of full fat foods. You may have this part of your brain screaming at you going, fat, 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 but ignore it. Nutritional science is powerful stuff and it's clear. Fat is incredibly important for many reasons, in particular keeping you feeling fuller for longer, as well as hormone regulation. If our hormones are out of whack, well, what do we want to do? You've got it. Eat more of the bad stuff. Less processed foods. We mean it. This is a biggie. Not only will it mean a large drop in calorie content and a major increase in nutrients from your food too, you will seriously feel better, making it easier to stick to your weight loss journey. Fresh foods and whole foods are best. Potatoes, white pasta, white rice. These carbs, cut them back as much as possible. Only eat them in the evening and after exercise. This will have a huge boost on your efforts and help you drop some pounds quick. Most of us in our day-to-day lives simply don't do the activity required to burn off masses of carbs. Once a day is plenty. Relax. Stress is a nightmare for weight gain. Not only does it make us want to reach for all those bad foods we know we will just make the problem worse, our body actively then prefers to hold on to everything. Do what you can to relax and decrease stress. Green tea. Wherever possible, drop the coffee and regular tea. Replace it with green tea. It's super beneficial for weight loss. It is great at helping decrease stress levels and can aid in overall weight loss. It's a win-win. Intermittent fasting. Eat from 10 a.m. till 6 p.m. for 16 hours without any food, then all of your food is to be eaten in an 8-hour window. This has major benefits for your health and really supercharges people on a weight loss journey. Fish oil. This is a super supplement and one that most people have no idea about. Studies have shown that a high-quality fish oil supplement in large doses daily will increase muscle mass and decrease body fat. That was without any changes to diet. We'll do another video on the magic of this supplement. It really is the magic trick for weight loss. Be kind to yourself. Weight loss isn't a sprint. It isn't easy and it can't happen in a week. Not if you want lasting results that are sustainable, that don't vanish the first time you look at a cake or have a cheeky night out with friends. Consistent steps are what win this race. Be patient with yourself and stay happy. You'll make it. So, there we have it. 12 super simple but incredibly powerful tips and tricks for beating weight loss. Follow these and we promise you will be 90% on the way to achieving the weight you want. The other 10% is just time and having that patience. Thanks for watching the Fitness Hub. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button. See you next time.